Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Google Meet. So for you to share your screen in Google Meet, make sure you are connected or you are joined to a call. So right now I'm going to join a call, Google Meet, and this will take me back to the previous call right now. So I'm getting ready to join the call, so I'm just going to join now. Very good. And see what I'm doing. Okay, right. Okay, good. So right now I'm going to show you how you can share your screen in Google Meet. So to share your screen, you click on this icon which is called Present Now. Then right here you have three options for you to share your screen. You can only share the Edge tab, which is the current tab, and I have about 3 tabs open. So I can decide to share any of those 3. I can decide to share the entire window. I'll just pick from any of this window I have open. See, I have this, reduce, and also another Microsoft Edge open, or I can also share the entire screen, and that's it. So once you pick any screen of your choice, depends on what you want, then click on share, and that's it. If you find it helpful,